Hello there, I'm Captain AORUS. I've always been a gamer. I've always been, you might say, a tactical kind of guy. As head of compliance, I ensure that Team Up Fight On is not just a brand slogan. It is a philosophy that employees live and breathe by. To do my job, I regularly patrol the office and I make sure that team spirit and camaraderie is upheld at all times. Team Up Fight On! Team Up Fight On! In my line of work, it never hurts to be ready. Sometimes you might encounter contraband equipment. These items must be dealt with swiftly.
Hang on, I see some movement. Dude, there he is. Okay, let me try to line up with a shot. Let's do this. Wait, are you? What the? Are you kidding me?
Hey! What's going on here?
Dude, my monitor just crapped out on me.
The hell is this? Why are you even using this?
Dude, it's all I got, man. What else is there?
You should be using a KD25F. With 240 Hz refresh rate and 0.5 millisecond response time, it is the perfect gaming monitor for esports. Isn't that something special?
Dude, this is great. I love it. Wait, what are we gonna do with that?
There's only one thing left to do.
For the victory lap though. Whoa, whoa. They ain't never